Right. Welcome to this orientation program. Once again, my name is Tony Olafemi Obami. Uh, in this orientation, we'll be looking into some certain things, what you are expected in this uh, training, and how we structure this training to just fit individual schedule. So, briefly, I will just be giving us a short brief of this academy. The firm Innovatech Tech is an innovative tech hub dedicated to equipping individuals with passion for technology and with practical in-demand digital skills. And our goal is to empower participants to solve real world problems and create incomes opportunity through technologies. And these are the program overview. This program is designed to provide hand-on training across key tech area, across the following key tech area. Number one, which is AI automation. The second one is UI UX design, data analysis, graphic design, and also web development. These are the key overview of how the key areas we want to train on: UI UX design, AI automation, data analysis, graphic design, and web development. We expect participants to gain practical experience and real-world knowledge to be relevant and marketable skills. The the major purpose of this training is just for all our participants, to gain practical experience and real world knowledge to build relevant and marketable skills. And these are the expectations that these are the things that you just try to expect from us. Number one, this training is going to run for 5 weeks. This training is going to run for 5 weeks, whereby we have 4 weeks for the training and a week for the final project. And this will focus on intensive and on practical learning. Serious, intensive, and on practical learning. Tech is not about, it's not about the grammar that you can speak. It's all about the solution that you can provide. It's all about what you can actually do. Go out here today. Tech is not like probably like degree you earn in a university or any tertiary institution. Tech is not like that. Tech is actually what you can do. Tech is actually what you can do. If you go to any tech industry today, you know, they will not like ask for your CV. The only thing that they will ask for, they will ask for your portfolio. And what is your portfolio? Your portfolio is all about your previous work, what you have done so far since you like since you have been into tech. What have you done? Those are the things that your portfolio will show to whosoever that is employing you. So tech is something that you need to know and you need to know it better. So note that there will be a very like intensive, and on practical learning. And number two, each in every week, we're going to be having 3 days class, 3 day class. 2 days is going to be for class. Like these 2 days, these 2 days is going to focus on intensive practical learning. These 2 days in a week going to be an intensive and on practical learning. And the third day, which is the third day, is going to be for our meet up section, which is going to probably last for 1 hour, just based on how like what we actually we are trying to review on that day. So 3 days in a week, 2 days for intensive and on practical learning, and the third day is for our meet up section. So another thing that I would like to just share with us is the criteria for certification. At the end of this training, there will be a certificate that will be awarded to all participants, but with condition. And no, to earn our certificate, to earn our certificate, you must meet the following like criteria. You must meet the following criteria. And number one is you must have minimum of 90% attendance in all live classes. I'll repeat that again. You must like have minimum attendance of 90% in all our live classes. That is number one criteria. Number two is you must complete at least 90% of all assignments given. That is number two criteria. You must complete at least 90% of all assignments given to you. So the third one is you must submit, all participants must submit at least 2 to 3 minute feedback video sharing your experience during the training. At least 2 to 3 minute video sharing your experience during the training. Another criteria is you must submit a full, complete final project before you can earn our certificate. You must submit a full, complete final project before you can earn what? Before you can earn our certificate. Please I will try to repeat this again for you to take note of it. At least for our criteria, for you to earn our certification, you must like have the following criteria. Number one, minimum of 90% attendance in all our live classes. Number two, completion of at least 90% of all our assignments. The third one is submission of at least 2 to 3 minute video, feedback video, sharing your experience during the training. And the fourth one is successful submission of complete final projects of what you have learned so far. Please try to take note of all these criteria. Try to take note of this guideline for you to have, a successful running, a successful training. Please take note of this. Rewatch the orientation videos for you to get all the information being passed across. Thank you for joining. Have a wonderful day.